Yeah, what is mental health, what is mental ill health? Once we have some glance about those two, we can create ourselves how to become mentally strong, how we have to kill the mental illness. As well as another, what are the signs and symptoms of this social stigma and challenging stigma associated with mental illness, harmful effects of stigma, and ways how we have to deal with stigma, and how we have to fight with these all. These are all the points I have to cover in this particular session. Next slide, please. Here, yeah. If you see here statistics, I tried myself to bring a statistic related to this before lockdown and after lockdown, and what is even how lockdown is having effect on our mental illness. Because all the points just I focused in here. If you see statistics over there, 80% anxiety, some 76% job loss, 74% stress, 73% isolation, loneliness. These are the problems really it is focusing a lot. These are the problems are facing by so many people, not only the women, among total all employees, women employees and men employees, all the people, we all are suffering such a kind of all problems, especially in the during lockdown. Before also they are there, but during the lockdown, because of this job loss, stress also, people have suffered a lot. And one more slide, this explains that, see, female suicide deaths. Why the deaths will happen? Obviously, because of stress, we'll say, maybe some family problems, maybe some other issues. But here, female percentage is almost, if you see in this slide, 36.6%, male is 24.3%, 70.88%. If you see this particular picture, so that we can understand clearly, though it is just both people are working together, either men and women, but statistics they are explaining that maybe somewhere the women, though women are very brave, somewhere women are facing some little issues for balancing of things. Particularly in this aspect, I want to suggest or I want to tell to all the people that just be aware. Some problem arises, okay, let it be. I tell you in the last of this particular session what kind of tips we have to follow to avoid this mental illness and all. This is the statistics. Through this we can understand what really happening during the lockdown and what is the percentage of female they got suicides. That is highest percentage shows by the statistics. Next slide please. Yes. Here also you can understand mental health crisis worldwide. Because see the depression, anxiety before pandemic and all this we have. Depression really here affects that if you see here 264 depression affects million people globally it is happening. Especially one more point we have to remember, not only the working women, especially the teenage girls, as well as the age 15 to 29 years old, they are also committed suicide because of this mental illness. So mental illness is not a disease, but if we are not focusing that, obviously it become a big devil and it is kill our lives also. Lockdown, just if you see married participant has more mental health problems. This is also already starting itself, I told to you, why the married working women facing lot of mental related problems than comparatively all other people. Because you know, maintaining family is also really it is the happiest thing, as well as more responsibilities is there in the families. The Hindu families, the remaining all other families also, every family system, they focus that the woman has to take more responsibility. The kids we have to take care. Even I would like to tell one best example. Today itself, just I focused. Yeah, I thought of BA party, being speaker in this particular program. So morning onwards, how I can manage the things. If somewhere some problem arises, see majority men also participate in the program, even organizers also some men. But come here the women, even some other speakers also. Morning we have to manage everything in home. We have to take care about kids. And we have to attend some work related things in our colleges, as well as we have to do work where we committed, where we gave some acceptance for programs like this. So in this process itself, morning onward I really personally experienced it. I understood, yeah, really women is not balancing properly. Things definitely becomes illness. Mental illness always causes to so many lot of other issues. Next slide, please. Yes, yes. So here also some of the statistics, please have a glance on this. Majority women are in depression. Percentage it has given by WHO, World Health Organization report. It is also, if you see, that is 41.9% or this with depression, depressive disorders only the people are suffering a lot. Compared to men, this percentage is women is more. Men is 29.3% and other men is 41.9%. And 80% of 50 million people affected. This is violent conflicts. This is also another concept in the society. The woman, how she is suffering a lot with a lot of even domestic violence, even ragging and all. These are all other issues are also there in the society. So balancing all the things and doing work and participating and doing all the operations, it is a big challenge for the woman. Next slide. This is the report given by the World Health Organization. Please, next slide. Yeah, because in this session, just I would like to tell you the great personalities, because a number of people are there, but among all those, just I took a few people in order to show you what is mental health, how they grow. And because of mental illness, though they have capability, though they have worth, though they have strong in their professions, but finally they lost their lives. If you see, almost you identify there, you can Vice President Kamala Harris for USC. She's the first woman lady. See, she's also like they are also balancing so many things and they reached at top positions. And one more, the great personality, if you see that the chairman of Infosys Foundation, Sudha Mukti garu. Yeah, she is also a wonderful lady and she is doing so many social activities. That is also very important. She is making herself very comfortable in family life as well as she is caring about the society also by providing so many social service aspects. So those are the people we will take an example of this is mental health. If you see remaining two people, one is Bollywood actor, he is Sushant Singh Rajput. He's a very, even he's a favorite actor for me as well as so many people, they like him. But what happened? You know, in Corona pandemic, we all know very well about how he suffered a lot with mental illness. Because in our total concept today, the conquer the social stigma. Because the barrier is not come out. He is unable to conquer the social stigma. Because of that, what happened? He lost his life. He has fame, he has name, he has lot of money, but at last finally, no life. Because maybe mentally unable, mentally he might not strong. That is also one of the cause among other issues also. Another girl, I think social, she got this video got viral. Lavanya Lahari, she working as a software engineer. Almost she also lost her life in so many regions. These four people, if you identify, is the better. There are a number of people, but among this, how we can understand mentally healthy people, how they can reach top positions, how they can do strong works. Mentally ill healthy people, if they are unable to know what is happening in their mind, if they are unable to know what kind of suffering they have, definitely that is a loss of lives as well as their careers also. Next one, please.